Hi guys, today we've got here Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and let me show you how to check for software updates. First you need to find and select settings. Then scroll down and you will notice software update. Click to open. Now click on download and install. And just wait, as you can see your device is looking for updates. Okay, so it may take a couple more minutes due to my weak network connection, but still, if there is any update, you will be informed here. So here you will notice the tab that you can click on to get this update, and if your system is up to date, the information also will be displayed right here. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.